There are plenty of greens in the rainforest. Indeed, there are many hues of green, but there are also shades of blue, especially on Cooper Creek. The sky is blue over the mighty Daintree River. Old Man Croc Scarface is king of the Daintree River. He's about 70 years old and literally toothless. The coral sea is often very blue. The wings of the beautiful Ulysses butterfly are an iridescent blue. They are so beautiful as they flit through the rainforest. The male sunbird has an iridescent blue bib. And the praying mantis has a blue spot on its foreleg. The local peacock at the farm is blue. And the neck of the mature cassowary is also a beautiful blue. The cassowary plums are a favourite food of the cassowary, and they also like blue quandong and the red fruit from the endemic black palm. Fibres are stripped from the bark, and these fibres are used in weaving. And then there's Daintree Dazzle. He's half red kelpie and half blue heeler, with the attitude of both. And at the end of the day, there are blue cocktails to be enjoyed by anyone who lives in the rainforest. And not so blue because it's raining in the rainforest. And the shimmy mob dance to create awareness of emotional abuse and domestic violence.